Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to send money from Western Union to PayPal. Currently, you cannot directly send money from Western Union to PayPal, as the two services operate independently and don't offer direct integration. However, I'll show you a workaround. Firstly, choose the bank account as the delivery method when receiving from the Western Union payment. So, all you need to do is receive the Western Union transfer into your bank account. Now, link your bank account to PayPal. Go to PayPal wallet, then link a bank account. Transfer the funds from your bank account to PayPal. Once the funds are available in your bank from Western Union, you can add money to your PayPal balance, or PayPal will pull it from during transactions. So, you can't input your PayPal email as the receiver for a Western Union transfer, and Western Union doesn't allow direct transfers into PayPal balances. And that's it, guys.